With numerous product lines and a large variety of options, Clippard is your go-to resource for pinch valves. We now offer this technology in a panel-mounted pinch valve for applications requiring quick access for changing out tubing with an enhanced design to accommodate quick washdown and sterilization requirements between use. This elegant design has all the same benefits of Clippard's NPV series, including an unobstructed flow path with zero dead volume, a variety of different size actuators that accommodates many different tubing sizes, lower power consumption, and unparalleled support from a company you can rely on. If you have an application that could benefit from a pinch valve, give us a call today. I'm Attila Kiss, Isolation Valves Product Manager. Thanks for watching.